Good morning, sir. Myself, C. Madhu, roll number 244G1A05K6. I am from CSC C section. Today, my topic is basic implementation of hash tables with example. Introduction to hash tables. Hash tables are data structures that store key value pairs for efficient data retrieval. They use a hash function to compute an index into an array of bucket or slots. The primary advantages of hash tables is their average case constant, time complexity for search, insert and delete operations. Hash function. If hash function takes an input key and produces a fixed size string of bytes, the output index is used to determine where to store the corresponding values in the hash table. A good hash function minimizes collision where two keys hash to the same index. Collision resolution techniques. Collision occurs when two keys hash to the same index which needs to be resolved. Common techniques including chaining where each bucket point to a list of entire and open addressing where alternative slots are searched. Choosing an operative collision resolution method is circular for maintaining efficiency. Basic structure of hash table. A hash table is typically consists of an array and hash function. Each element in the array can be a pointer to be a linked list for chaining or a single value for open addressing. The size of array is usually chosen to be a prime number to help reduce collisions. Example hash functions. Consider a simple hash function that computes the index as the ASCII value, sum of the characters modulo the table size. For example, for the cat, the hash function computes 99 plus 97 plus 160 percentile 10 equals to 12% by 10 equals to 2. This means the value associated with cat will be stored at index 2 in the hash table. Inserting elements. To insert an element, the hash function is applied to the key to find the appropriate index. If the index is empty, the new key value pair is placed directly in that slot. If a collision occurs, the collision resolution method is applied to find an alternative location for insertion. Searching for elements. Searching for an element requires applying the hash function to the key to find the index. If the index is occupied, the hash table checks the stored value against the key. If a collision resolution technique like changing is used, the list at that index will be traversed to find the correct key. Advantages and disadvantages. Hash table provides fast access to data, making them suitable for applications like databases and caches. However, their performance can degrade with many collisions or pure hash functions. Understanding the trade offs helps in selecting hash tables for appropriate use cases in software development. Feel free to adapt and any of content of format you are better suit your needs. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.